Everybody, I am Damia.
And I am Hala.
And I am Noor, and there's fourth member, which is Rina.
Today we're going to talk about the person who invented X-ray, who added a huge revolution in the world, which is
William Conrad Röntgen.
So, let's go!
Now I will talk about who is William. He is German physicist, and William Röntgen is discovered X-ray. Then he studied many of their properties. After that, he opened up prospects in the field of medicine and physics, as we know. The German physicist William Röntgen, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in general physics in 1901.
Now, I'd like to talk about how William Röntgen discovered the X-rays. One day, William Röntgen was working on an experiment in which he projected an electronic beam inside a vacuum tube of glass, in which the electrons were released from a negative electrode into a positive electrode, and that was under the influence of high electrical tension. He rubbed the tube with thick black paper to block the electromagnetic beam emitted from the vacuum tube, and then he installed the phosphoric screen in front of a tube to start his experiment. And when he accidentally put his hand between the phosphoric screen and the tube, he saw the picture of the bones of his hand. And then he discovered, after he repeated the experiment, that it's a lot of the X-ray that cause the X-rays. Then he discovered, after he repeated the experiment, a lot of that it's X-ray. It called it X-rays.
William Röntgen has worked in several jobs during his lifetime. He was appointed lecturer at the University of Strasbourg in 1874. A year after, he was appointed as a professor at the Academy of Agriculture in Wittenberg. In 1876, he was appointed professor of physics at the University of Strasbourg. He was appointed professor of physics at the University of Strasbourg. In 1879, he was appointed head of the Department of Physics at the University of Gießen. In 1888, the physicist William Röntgen was appointed president of the University of Würzburg. In 1900, William Röntgen was appointed the head of the University of Munich. This was his educational life. In 1976, he was appointed.
He died in 1923 in Munich, in Germany. He was 77 years old at the time of his death.